Hey guys, today we're doing another episode of shooting things, or shooting candy with Nerf guns, but without the candy. Today we will be shooting pennies. This might sound crazy, but I have a disruptor right here, like one of these elite barrel guns, whatever. No one really cares right now. That didn't work. I'm gonna have to find a different coin here. Today we will be actually shooting this quarter. Very dangerous. Do not try this at home. Firing test in 3, 2, 1. That didn't go very high. I'll try to show you a better shot. This amazingness. I'll redo that. Let's do it. 3, 2, 1. That one went surprisingly high and no bullet shot out. Pretty cool. Alright, so that'll conclude this episode of shooting things with Nerf guns. I'll try to think of a couple other things to shoot. See you later, guys.